Look around and listen. Spring is dancing her magic and delicate dance, as she always does. Spinning cherry blossoms into cotton balls, turning dogwoods from butter to cream, and wrapping us all in a blanket of green again. But this spring comes as fear and uncertainty are pushing us apart. As we wrestle with a danger we cannot see and can't understand. And as we wonder when and how it will end. So look again and listen. Spring is calling us close, even now, especially now. Calling us close to inhale her beauty, to touch her gentle hand, and to listen for her quiet voice. Whispering new life and new hope, as she always does.